Hi, welcome to your walking meditation. You may not be able to see me, which is fine, because you can either rest with your eyes closed, or you can put me in your pocket with headphones on, or wherever you put your phone, and walk, if that suits you now. And as you walk, I'm just going to talk to you. But notice wherever you are, how you're feeling. Looking around, scanning your surroundings, assuming you've already gotten outside with your shoes on if you're walking. And just noticing everything there is around you. What's pleasant, what's unpleasant. And feeling yourself find a rhythm with your feet if you're walking. And if you're resting, just rest. Feel how God, angels, they don't know pain. They exist in pure love. Feel that pure love that beams to you from God, from angels, from Source. Feeling that pure love being beamed at you. Understanding all is in rightful order. Nothing can take dominion over your life. Not unless you allow it. You have dominion over your life. And if you have to ask something, you've already decided. You know what is right in every moment. That means you're ready to evolve, and with each step, feel that you know what is right in every moment. Each step is purposeful. You know that when people argue, there's nothing won, so you stay away from arguing, choosing to evolve, only listening to people that speak to you from a place of love and care, and speaking to yourself with love and care. And feel that you're both masculine and feminine. So the masculine part of you is holding space for the part of you that flows. And if that space needs to be expanded, you can expand it to allow for more flow. Loving unconditionally and honoring your truth every day. Noticing everything that lifts you up, makes you smile, brings you joy. As you walk or as you rest, breathe in and out 3 times. Deeply, nice inhalation and exhalation. Breathing deeply. If you can, go on the exhalation a couple of times. If you're not embarrassed in public or if you're inside, see if you can go and just really let that out. And know that if you're outside and you see another and you need to pause it, that you're seeing God, you're seeing you. You're probably seeing someone who wants to connect, and think of how you feel about that today. Every time you hug someone, it's like you're hugging yourself. It's like you're hugging God, or hugging God as yourself. When you tell someone something beautiful about yourself, God is speaking through you. And when you tell other people beautiful things, God is speaking through you. And when you recognize something in someone, you've already seen it in yourself. So when you give compliments, know you've already seen that in you. You wouldn't be able to recognize it otherwise. When you look at a flower or tree, you feel good. When you're dancing, you feel liberated and free. When you don't want to listen to problems, you just reverse the intent. You live in a space that liberates you, moves you, continues to shift you, continues to help uplift you, and takes you to higher understandings of freedom and playfulness as you continue to move along in this life. More free and more playful as you walk, as you move. You can look in the mirror every day and tell yourself you're beautiful, because you are that beautiful. You are the voice, the embodiment of God. Anytime you open your mouth or say a word, it's filled with love, joy, excellence, beauty, and being able to see the highest level of a human being. You've changed lives, and your life has been changing. You make declarations to the universe. When something is negative, you don't place your mind there. You place your mind on what you hope to get better in that negative situation. On people being saved or helped or aided, healed, transformed in a way that it won't happen again. You see beyond what you're being shown. And wherever you place your attention, you decide that you align with it, and you're there. You let things emotionally affect you less, because your attention and intention creates. You ask why something has to be the way it is, and it invites unbalance in. So when you decide things are the way they are and you're okay with that, just notice how you feel. Just being okay with everything that's around you right now. Feeling free. Choosing to see God everywhere, in every moment, in every flower, in every tree. Not giving any energy to what you don't want to see manifest. You don't even place your mind there. You never want to be right, because that would cast a shadow on someone else. You don't have a busy mind. You're not bombarded, because you support love, because you choose love, because you choose that we all can come together. You choose nature. You choose projecting what you want to see in this world. You choose connecting to every other person on the planet who's thinking similarly in these moments. You help big things happen worldwide that you don't even see by your energy. You help miracles happen that you don't even witness because of your energy. Because you didn't buy the lie. You didn't support the lie. You didn't believe the lie. When you see someone who's sick, you see wellness. You visualize people at their optimal, as intelligent, healthy, strong, vibrant. You refuse to accept the reality of being shown. You know the one to choose. Every day you're in a relationship with someone you love. You help them in this way. You act this way toward them. You tell them, everyone you love, you're amazing. You tell them you're so intelligent. You tell them they're such a beauty, such a gift to this life. You tell them they have so much to offer this world. And they tell them they don't need to hold themselves back, because they've got this no matter what they're doing. No excuses. You don't use your work, your job as an excuse. You only have love and evolution. That leads to true divine power. That is who you are. You don't complain. Your being doesn't want to be worked through. It wants love first. It wants to love first. And it wants to evolve through itself. You have love. That's all you have, and that's all you need. It flows through all you do. It's an evolution, and it's fun. Feel that your soul embraces your inner child, that they are the same, that they already have all of this information. Your inner child will always act out what you need. Your shadow will always help you with your higher self, because they are also the same and related. The shadow is the light that comes from a higher dimension and casts a shadow on all the things you need to work through. all the things that need to come into love and acceptance and wholeness and into alignment with yourself. All the things your light took on that you couldn't deal with. It goes to another dimension, your shadow holds it, and then it beams this light back at you so you can see what shadows you need to work with. So know that you're working with these shadows. Every time you take responsibility for what your shadow showed up for, because it held everything for you, you're showing up with love, joyfulness, playfulness. Every time you need, your shadow can guide you when you come into alignment with love, and everything is free then. You never are angry, because that means you're suffering for the choices of another. God, Spirit, whatever you resonate with you, that tells you what you need to hear. Maybe it's the deepest part of your heart. You are a divine, sovereign being. You see the truth that is right in front of you. You realize you can change anything just by dreaming greater than the circumstance you just experienced. You have dreams. You're here to add to your dreams, to build your dreams, to be your dreams. You dream bigger and bigger and bigger than you could ever imagine, and every day, every moment, every second, you keep on dreaming, you keep on acting those dreams out, you keep on aligning with prosperity by every day acknowledging it, and you say yes to it. You say yes to being expanded, abundant. You say yes to beautiful relationships with people who are transparent, the people who see the love in you, the people who see the higher consciousness, the people who love you unconditionally, the people who see you, who honor you. And you know exactly what to say every time when you see these people, because they excite you. So you're shifting now over to those frequencies and energies. Feel this in your body. Opening up your multi-dimensional field of consciousness and allowing more light to come into your field now. See if you can notice the light of intelligence, the light of love intelligence, the light of love intelligence that's opening up everything, the divine principle of your being. Feel what you know to be true. Know that you're taking a deep breath if you know this is true. That you're allowing the powerful energies in of light or of your ancestors, spirit guides and helpers. If you have medicine men, medicine women in your family, or maybe even not, you're allowing them in to heal you on a spiritual level in the spiritual world. You're allowing access to your body, to your field. And you're allowing any healing you receive to move to every cell and every molecule in your body. Just like in Qigong, it moves. It just allows. Anything that's been distorted due to malfunction is being put back in the right order right now. Rightful order is playful and fun and filled with love. You are a quantum creator. As you create, you illuminate for others. You're sending darkness into light. You lift people. You help shift the planet with every word and every thought. You are so beautiful. Hold space for your wisdom. Hold space for your beauty. Hold space for your intelligence. Hold space for your transformation. Hold space for your strength. Hold space for your alchemy. And hold space for your magic. Everyone is here to bring this planet into a realm of light. Remember, be excited, celebrate, live with humor, because you are a gift and a present to this world. As you continue to walk, let these words resonate and feel into your body the truth, the openness in your heart, and continue to have a wonderful day and a wonderful time.